So guys, today we are going to start with our new topics that is basically system-based forensics. So this class we will be talking about disk and memory-based forensics, in which we will be talking about entire forensics and how system-based forensics is working since system one single system is divided into two parts, right? Like in a system we do have two things for there for sure, right? And what are these two things? We do have RAM and we do have ROM. Either we do have volatile memory, that is something which will be erased, which are our RAM contents. So once you turn off your system, it will be gone. Or once you close the application, it will be gone. And what is team the definition of non-volatile? Hard disk ROM, right? No changes to the files even if system shutdowns, isn't it? So that is two major things which we are going to discuss. We are going to cover the forensics for both of them. RAM based also, ROM based also, right? So we will be talking about that part as well, right? So I'll just write it up over here, system forensics, in which we will be talking about memory forensics first, and then we will be talking about disk based forensics. So let's get started guys up over here. So this memory based forensics will be applied to our RAM part, right? Where what we will be analyzing, we will be analyzing memory dumps, right? RAM dumps, memory dumps, we will be analyzing up over there, right? And our disk-based forensics, it will be applied to our ROM part, where we will be analyzing hard disk drives. Sometimes we do have USBs, we do have CD, DVD, etc. Right? So that is basically our memory-based forensics. Clear? So this is something which is being covered up in our system-based forensics. Let's start with memory forensics today. So memory forensics guys, memory based forensics. Now this is something which is dealing with what? Which is dealing with RAM dumps, right? Deals with the system memory dumps, or we can also say analyzing of RAM dumps is known as memory forensics. Clear? That's what the definition of memory forensics is. Now, in order to basically do the memory forensics, we will be needing certain types of tools, and we will be needing, and we need to understand what type of file formats will be there. So, in order to capture the RAM, right, we do need RAM capturing tools, right? We do need RAM capturing tools, and there are a lot of them in market. I'll show you a couple of them. We do have like magnet RAM capturer. We do have FTK imager. We do have Belkasoft RAM capturer, right? We do have dump it, etc. Right? So these are like few of the tools which are there in the market. Clear? Now, in which format you will be finding these captures to be happen, right? In which format we'll find these particular captures, right? So I'll just write format support here. So mostly the very famous format is .raw format, right? You'll find your memories in .raw format. Then another famous one would be your .mem format, and then another famous would be your DMP dump format. We do have also a VMem format, right? Now VMem is your virtual memory. You guys might have seen that in VMware Workstation we do also give RAM. The RAM provided to the virtual system, right? Like if I say so, let's say this is my system, right? Can you see I have assigned 2 GB of RAM? So in this 2 GB of RAM, I would have been given 2 GB RAM to this particular virtual machine, right? And let me show you up over here this particular RAM's part up over here. Now you can see there are lots of files, right? Out of these files, there is this one file with the name of vmem. And what is the size of this file? If you see, it says 2 GB, right? So that is how basically this entire part is being created. So vmem file is basically the RAM of this particular Windows 7 machine, right? So if what if I want to basically do the memory analysis of a virtual machine, right? So instead of running a RAM capturing tool inside, going by turning on this machine and doing the RAM capture inside this machine for virtual machines, I can directly pull out the vmem as well, right? Even this file I can use in order to basically do the memory analysis, right? So these are few of the formats which we should be knowing. Clear?